Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you're all doing great. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove ads from the Vidmate app in a very simple and effective way. If you're tired of annoying ads popping up again and again while using Vidmate, then this video is just for you. So make sure to watch till the end and follow all the steps carefully. So let's get started. First of all, open the settings of your phone. Once you're inside the settings menu, scroll down a little and look for the option called More Connection Settings. In some phones, it might also be called Connections or Network Settings. So don't worry if the name is slightly different. Just tap on it and now you will see an option called Private DNS. Go ahead and open that. Now here comes the main step. By default, it is usually set to automatic. You need to change it to Private DNS Provider Hostname. Once you select that option, a text field will appear where you have to enter a DNS address. In that field, type exactly dns.adguard.com. Make sure you type it correctly without any spaces. After entering it, tap on Done and then save the settings. Now, once this part is completed, go back to your home screen, find the Vidmate app and long press on it. You will see a small menu pop up. Tap on the App Info option. This will take you to the app settings page. From here, scroll down and find Storage and Cache. Tap on it and then click on Clear Cache at the bottom right side. This step helps remove any previously stored ad data. After completing all these steps, simply open the Vidmate app again. Now you will notice that most, if not all, ads are removed and your experience will be much smoother and cleaner.